Good morning. The sun is just about to peak up above the horizon. The sea's calm. Water's quite cool at the moment. Hopefully the air temperature will warm things up very soon. So let the hunt begin. Oh, there's the sun coming. Well, I've been digging this really deep target, and it's a silver ring. Very crusted. So interested to see what it actually looks like when it's cleaned up. Well, first proper target of the day. Did find one coin earlier on, but excellent. About the third crab I've had this morning. I don't know if they're just hot crabs or what. Still targets down in the sand. So that little critter go. Again, it sounds very deep. So just on the edge of picking it up. Still in the hole. A bit stronger now, the target sound. Still deep though. Still down in the hole. Oh. It's a padlock. There we go. Especially for all my padlock fans. Hey, just come across this bangle or whatever it is. I don't know if it's very shiny, but I'm not sure it's gold. It could be just brass. But I'll have to test it when I get home. Have a good look at it. It's slightly misshapen where I've dug it out the hole, but it's quite deep. So we should look later on. Just been digging a few coins, and then I've suddenly come across a ring. I think we've got gold in the scoop, folks. We've got gold in the scoop. Yay! That looks nice, quite a nice pattern on that. Oh, I've got something else here. It's a chain. And it looks like it's a gold chain. Yep, little gold chain. Superb. I think it's a diddy ring. Well and truly crusted. It's not gold. I don't know what it is. I just don't believe this. Just got another gold ring. Look at that. It's in the scoop. We have a gold ring in the scoop. It's quite a poor target. But there it is. Small but beautifully formed. We have gold in the scoop. Got another ring. Very small, very thin. It's not gold, looks like brass or something. It's a bit of a ring fest today. can't believe this. I've got more gold. Bloody hell. Another chain. And a cross. And a tag. What a day. Look at that. We have gold in the scoop. Amazing day. Just don't believe this today. I really don't. Look. Another chain. Blimey. What can one say? I've got gold in the scoop. From this morning's adventure, that's actually part of a mouth organ, which I wonder what it was when it first came up. Lead weight. I think that's some sort of knife in there. I need to put in the acid to get off all the crud. And I got the padlock. Then this case, I think it's probably just a makeup case. Though it's possibly a silver. It came up quite a high ID. This little ring which came out, wasn't sure what it was, quite shiny when I first saw it. It's just brass. Quite a few coins, which is good, so that's nice. This very small little ring, again well crusted, so not quite sure exactly what that is, possibly silver. So again, I have to put it in acid to get rid of all the crud. A little brass ring, and a bigger silver ring, again full of crud. Then we get onto the shiny stuff. This chain came out, quite a varied ID. It's gold, and there's two types of looks like the metal here. Well, two types of gold and euro safety chain put on. Unfortunately, it didn't stop that bit breaking on the end. So there we go. Then let's have a look. We've got a small wedding band, and a larger wedding band with quite a nice pattern on. And this came up in one go. I thought the actual chain was broken, but it's all in one piece. So that's good. And then lastly but not least, a chain for the wrist, and that's actually fairly heavy. So super day, best day for well, best day ever, I think. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.